keep it short and sweet. Convert 99% of the PPVs that you send to subs using these objection handling strategies. So number one, the thing that is just going to convert most is just silence. So if you send a PPV, they will give you a ton of excuses. I didn't get paid till Thursday. I can't do this. I just spent the last money I had. They're going to give you every excuse under the sun. And I'll tell you what, nothing converts better than just ignoring them. After they give you the excuse, blah, 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 I didn't get paid till Thursday, silence. And then make sure you've seen it. And then silence, and it will drive them crazy. And I guarantee that in itself will convert like 99% of the PPVs that you send. Otherwise, you can still curb them by using some of these guilt trips. So you're not nice. Nice men would have paid. You're just like all the other guys. You're just trying to use me. Like, they are super cliche, but I'll tell you what, they bloody work. You're not actually interested in me. I get it. So you're saying that I'm not worth more than the other girls. What are you trying to say? That there's other girls you're more interested in? Well, babe, my mum has just lost her job. This is if you want to really turn up the heat. Well, babe, my mum has just lost her job and we're kind of finding it hard to pay the rent now. Now that's a new level. Like you could create a whole category of objection handling strategies, just, going down this road. But, it's YouTube. I don't want to get banned. So there's an example, but you don't want to resort to that. But anyway, and oh wow, okay, fine then, Mr. Boring, way to ruin the mood. Tell you what, this is the one we use most. Oh wow, okay, you sound really surprised. Fine then, Mr. Boring, wait a minute. And they're like, no, I'm not a party pooper. No, I want to keep the party going. No, I'm fun. I'm not poor. That's the one we use the most, I can guarantee. And now you're probably wondering, oh yeah, what about AI models? No difference. Use the same thing. Because the whole thing with the AI model is you're suspending disbelief. You are convincing them that there is a girl behind there, but a girl behind on the other end that they're talking to. So it makes no difference. You're going to use the exact same scripts, exact same objection handlers. So an example is the new subscriber script. Hey, glad you found my page. Let's make a deal. Like a bunch of my... Now they're always going to do this. They're never going to rebut to that. And then done. Oh, thanks so much. You're the best. Give them a tease. As I said, no objections up until then. Free, blah, blah, blah. And then you continue the conversation. This part here that's still really hidden is where you actually send the PPV, and then they're probably going to object. They might object, depending how broke they are. And then you're going to shill one of these, and yeah, 99% of them will convert. So anyways, without dragging on any more that has to go, that's it. Simple objection handling strategies you can use. But as I said, the golden one is silence. The second one is this one down here. It makes no difference. Our model, real model. So anyway, as usual, if you like the video, smash the like button, smash the subscribe button, and I'll see you on the next one.